have tasted one of the best gold expert advisors from the market. And in this video, I will share everything you need to know before leveraging this year. So let's see which expert advisor it is. This is the Your First Chance Expert Advisor version 1 for MT4 Unlimited, available on our official website fxcrack.org. I'll share the original product first, that is available on NQL 5 Marketplace for $1,222. You can see 20 demo downloads, and you can see this is the developer of this expert advisor. So I will show you a quick backtest of this expert advisor now. So right here you can see this is our expert advisor in its working condition, and when the market goes in the opposite direction, our expert advisor actually uses an advanced algorithm so that it can immediately identify the new trend direction and always takes reverse trade if the market goes in the opposite of the signal. This expert advisor has a built-in indicator as well, and it actually maintains the drawdown as well. So you can see whenever there is a news and the big candle is forming, it will give you profit even when it is not in the right trend direction. So you can count on this expert advisor more than any other expert advisor. Trust me, it is giving me profits, and I will share the results as well. This is the profit section, this is the balance section, and you will notice every single trade has been closed in profit with some minor losses. But this expert advisor is a versatile genius, and I guarantee you it will give you guaranteed profit. Here is our testing result. This is the final graph section. This is the report section. So I have tested this EA on $1,000 account for 1 month, starting from 2024 December 15 to January 15. Today is 16. So this is the result. I have gained the total net profit amount, that is $49.78. Now this is not a huge amount of profit, but this expert advisor's performance is really good. If you are going to trade on gold, try this expert advisor now and let us know about your trading experience in the comment section. There is a drawdown percentage I am watching, that is 2.04%. Just look out that you are going to trade this expert advisor on a $500 account or more than that. This expert advisor is not for small accounts, though you can try it with $100 account, but it is best if you try it at least on a $500 account. So on our official website, you will get this expert advisor here. This expert advisor is specially designed for gold pair, that is XAU USD pair. So try it on gold pair only and try any time frame. It will work on any time frame on gold pair. So this is the product, this is the price. But if you purchase this expert advisor from us directly via our official Telegram group Yo4X Premium, you can get additional 10% discount on all products. So right here is our Yo4X Premium official Telegram group. This right here is the joining link. If you have any query, you can contact us through Yo4X Asia. This is the admin. So I have given the joining link in the description section of this video. Check out and join our channel for more such expert advisors, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more such expert advisor and indicator honest review videos. Thank you so much for watching. Visit again.
Additionally, we can crack or unlock any expert advisor that you provide us via our official website yo4x.net or our official Telegram group @yo4x Asia. Link is given in the description section. We will give you a pricing to remove the comments, license timing, or unlimited accounts for either MT5 or MT4 or both. Price of the MT5 is higher than the MT4. Thank you.